Boomerang House by In-House in Essay with São Roque, Brazil. In-House presents its latest project, a countryside house in São Roque that was based on harmonization with the natural environment around it. Located on a carefully chosen steep terrain with a wide view of a golf course, this residence was designed to provide comfort, privacy, and sustainability for its residents. The house, which features 3 suites and covers 350 square meters, was implemented to minimize earth movement, respecting the terrain's topography and preserving the surrounding landscape. Its discreet facade integrated with the lot's slope offers visual and acoustic privacy to the residents. It is interesting to note that the boomerang shape gave rise to the project's name and allowed for dynamics and integration with the terrain. Objectives. The main objective of the project was to create a house that fully integrates with nature, providing comfort and sustainability. Additionally, the residence was designed to reflect a peaceful countryside lifestyle, away from the hustle and bustle of the city. All areas of the house have visual contact with the outside, integrating spaces and promoting receptions with integration among participants, both in the living, dining, kitchen, and deck with barbecue and pool areas. Main features. Sustainable solutions, including photovoltaic panels, solar heating, the use of reforestation wood, rainwater harvesting, and septic tank treatment, ensuring energy efficiency and reducing environmental impact. Abundant natural light and cross-ventilation, eliminating the need for air conditioning in the living area and promoting a healthy and comfortable environment. Facade covered with brick, providing coziness and durability, as well as a timeless aesthetic that integrates perfectly with the surrounding landscape. Wooden brises, which provide privacy while adding sophistication and dynamics to the internal spaces, creating a unique interaction with light and nature. Burnt cement floors with tile layout, providing an artisanal and rustic finish, reinforcing the cozy atmosphere of the countryside house. Team involved. The project was developed by the team of In-House Architecture and Interior Design, led by partners Andrea Bugarib and Bettina Barcelos, with the collaboration of specialized professionals in architecture and interior design. Completion date. The construction was completed in 2023, allowing the clients to fulfill their dream of a house in the countryside, where the couple can now enjoy moments of relaxation and also work remotely with more tranquility in their routine.